Do you want to build a six-figure income in 2026 without quitting your full-time job? Good news. This year you can. Because 2026 is the perfect storm. AI is exploding, digital tools are cheaper than ever, and businesses need more support than they can handle. This means ordinary people, busy employees, corporate workers, breadwinners, even beginners, can finally build high-income side hustles, even with just a few hours a week. In this video, I'll share 10 proven side hustles that can help you earn $2,000 a month or $100,000 monthly, even if you're just starting out. Let's dive in. Content creation is booming, but here's the secret. You no longer need to record yourself, show your face, or spend hours editing. AI tools can now help you. Write scripts, edit videos, create faceless content, generate ideas, make templates or presentations. There are creators earning six figures by posting explainer videos, carousel-style posts, or AI-assisted reels. And the best part, you only need a clear niche and consistency. If you can post 3-5 pieces of content weekly, you can build an audience and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and digital products. Small businesses desperately need help. Most owners don't have time to post, design, or reply to messages, which is why social media managers are in demand, especially part-time managers. You can offer simple packages like 8-12 posts per month, monthly content calendar, community engagement, basic analytics, and small businesses are happy to pay $300 to $800 per month, even for beginners. The key is to focus on one niche: restaurants, fitness coaches, real estate, or online sellers. If you can manage 3 clients, you're already at a six-figure monthly income. The biggest shift coming in 2026 is the rise of AI-powered virtual assistants. This means you're not competing with traditional VAs. You're competing with VAs who use AI to complete tasks faster. A typical AI-enabled VA helps with email management, research, scheduling, content repurposing, writing emails, making reports. And because AI speeds up your workflow, you can handle multiple clients at once. Rates range from $8 to $25 per hour, depending on your skill level. E-commerce is still a powerful way to create a six-figure side income, even if you're busy. Dropshipping lets you sell products without keeping inventory. Print on demand lets you design custom shirts, mugs, notebooks, and digital items without touching any stock. Your focus is only on choosing a niche, designing products, marketing, customer engagement. Your supplier handles the packaging and delivery. This is perfect for beginners who want a low-cost business model. Short-form video editors are some of the highest-paid freelancers today. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts have created massive demand for editors who can cut videos quickly and creatively. Brands pay editors $15 to $50 per short, and creators need dozens of short videos every week. This is perfect if you like editing, enjoy storytelling, want a skill that pays fast. You don't need advanced editing tools. CapCut and Canva already offer everything you need. You already have skills that people will pay for: marketing, HR, finance, sales, cooking, fitness, productivity, career development. You don't need to be the best. Just be a few steps ahead. You can start with one-on-one coaching, small group classes, workshops, digital courses. A single coaching client can pay $50 to $200 per session, which makes this one of the fastest paths to a six-figure income. Digital products are one of the most sustainable side hustles you can build. Why? Because you create once and sell forever. Examples include templates, planners, ebooks, checklists, scripts, video effects, Notion dashboards, Canva designs. Digital products sell especially well if you target a specific problem like budgeting, resumes, content planning, or home organization. Affiliate marketing is not about selling hard. It's about recommending products you already use. You can earn commissions from e-commerce products, gadgets, books, software, financial tools, courses. And the best part? Faceless content works extremely well. You only need clean visuals and voiceovers. If you find a winning product or niche, affiliate income can become extremely passive. Communities are the new digital gold. People want to connect with others who share their goals, whether it's finance, fitness, career growth, or AI tools. You can build a community through Discord, Facebook groups, private memberships, email newsletters. Once you build trust, you can offer templates, workshops, coaching, exclusive content, monthly membership plans. A community is stable, long-term, and highly engaged. If you want to scale to a true six-figure income, this is the fastest way. Turn your skills into a micro-agency. You don't need a big team, just 2 or 3 people helping you. Your agency can offer content editing, social media management, short-form editing, marketing support, lead generation, ads management. With just a handful of clients paying monthly retainers, you can easily reach a six-figure monthly revenue. Communities are the new digital gold. People want to connect with others who share their goals, whether it's finance, fitness, career growth, or AI tools. 2026 is your year to build something big. Your year to create a side hustle that gives you more freedom, more income, and more choices. Pick one idea, take the first step, and stay consistent. If you want deeper tutorials for any of these side hustles, comment Side Hustle 2026 below and I'll make a full series for you. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Your breakthrough year is here. Sometimes what is holding us back in starting something is fear. Let us know what is holding you back from launching your own side hustle. 2026 is starting. It is time to find your courage, start experimenting small, and when things work out, you can scale that side hustle. Share your fears in starting your own side hustle in the comment section. To continue your Freedom Years journey, watch these 2 topics related to side hustles. Keep that momentum of learning about earning more, growing your money by investment, and working your way to a rich life beyond 9-to-5 work. If you like spending time with us, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and send us a message about what you want us to feature in our channel. Stick with the Freedom Years Project channel and we have your back.